Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, March 21st. Today we will explore the practice of extending the exhale. If you attend my yoga classes, you know we do that quite a bit because extending your exhale sends a relaxation message to your nervous system. When you are anxious or angry, you may find the breath to be shallow and rapid. When you're resting, the breath slows down. The relationship between the breath, the body, and the mind goes both ways. So by breathing easily, you are telling the nervous system you are safe. This exercise engages the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for feelings of safety, relaxation, and ease. This practice works well when you're experiencing anxiety, anger, or any other emotion that increases the heart rate. Of course, don't overdo it. Everything in moderation. Find your own pace throughout the practice. And please know that your experience may be different from what I just described. Perhaps slowing down your exhale doesn't have this calming effect on you yet. Just be gentle with yourself and honor your experience, your pace, and adjust as necessary. And now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, natural. Simply noticing how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now bring your attention to the breath, but in one particular location of the body. It may be your chest, or your belly, or your nostrils, whatever works best for you. Now start breathing in for 3 counts and breathing out for 4. You may want to synchronize the count with your pulse or use some arbitrary way of doing it. Doesn't matter. Just making your exhale a little bit longer than your inhale. And notice how you feel. I'll be silent for a little bit. If this feels okay, try making the breath a bit longer. Inhaling to a count of 4 and exhaling to a count of 5. Your count. But if this doesn't feel good, return to the previous count or simply to your natural way of breathing. It's all perfect. No wrong way of doing it. Again, I'll be silent for a while. Now try to lengthen the breath even more. Of course, only if that's okay for your system. Maybe breathing in for 5 counts and breathing out for 7 counts. If this doesn't work, return to one of the previous steps or simply be aware of your natural way of breathing. Again, I'll be silent. Now see if you can lengthen your inhales and exhales as much as you're able to. Don't strain, but encourage yourself to breathe a little more deeply, making the exhale longer than your inhale. But yet again, if this doesn't do what it's intended to do, which is to calm down your nervous system, don't worry about it and simply return to the awareness of your natural breathing pattern. It's all good. I'll be silent. Now let go of the counting and take a few rounds of breath at your own natural pace. Notice how that feels now after playing with your breath in this way. And finally, bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to play with this as many times as you wish. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.